So this is my 1961 NSU Prinz, and right now I'm working on getting the spark plugs to spark. And so I've installed new coils. The old ones are right over here, and they've been sitting for 10 years or so, so they're pretty much junk. So here are the new ones. They came from a VW shop, and they just fit right in, which is very surprising. And just added the new spark plug wires, and hopefully soon we will try and start and see if we can get a spark. Okay, so we have just been fiddling around with the Dynastart, filing the points, and we have gotten life. So, let's see. So, turning it on. Okay, ready? Okay, so apparently the problem wasn't with the coils, but rather with the Dynastart. We just had to file the points a little, and voila, we got a spark. So now all we have to do is put some oil and gasoline in it, and we should be good.